Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, today in this video we will see that how you can run PRG inside the Marg software. Means how you can import the data of the other software in Marg. Now suppose if any customer is using other software and now they want to use Marg software. So for this you have to convert all the inventory and accounting data of the other software to Marg software. So to convert all this data in Marg, you need to run PRG, means program. Now let's see its process. So firstly, create a new company in Marg software of that trade of which you are migrating the data. And after that, you will open the setup and control room according to your software, like double discount, volume discount, etc. So whichever options you have to open them according to you. Then you will go to reports menu, then to management report, then data transfer utility, and then go to data transfer. Then here select download latest transfer commands. And now here you will enter the name of that software of which you want to import the data in Marg software. So for example, we will enter here Logic. Press enter. You will see here the software name is shown. It is showing that of which trade is the software. Press enter on it. Then press here Ctrl+W. Then a pop-up will be shown of data transfer utility. And now from here you will come to start importing data. Then you will specify here that whether the data which you are importing is of Access, means .mdb SQL, or it is in the DBF file. So as you can see, the data of this client is in MDB. So here we will select Access. Press enter key. Then next option is that you want to convert MDB to DBF or not. So we want to convert it. We will do it yes. As you will do yes, open window will appear from where you will come to that location in which there is a backup data of the client. So now select the data and click on OK. Now you will see software is asking you to enter the password. Now as in some cases there is a password protection of MDB data and in some cases it's not. So as there the data of client is password protected. That's why it is asking you the password. To break the password, firstly you will go to Access Import, which is Marg's own software utility. So firstly you will install it, and through Access Import you can convert MDB to DBF in a single click. And if there is any password, then you can break it and copy it as well. So we have already installed Access Import. So we will open Access Import folder. Then here we will run inputil.exe. Then we will start it. And now we will click on the browse button and select the Access database and will open it. Do next. And you can see the password which was in MDB is shown here after broken. Now click on copy password clipboard and copy the password, then close it. Then paste here that password which is copied. Do OK. And now you can see data has been started converting from MDB to DBF. And now it is showing you the path of that location where data has been converted. Means on whichever location is the backup data of the client, on that location only the data is converted. So now we will come to that location. So you can see here a folder named logic_data is created, where you can see data has been converted to DBF. Then here it is shown logic data extension, means the data of logic which is converted, its extension is shown here like it is converted in DBF. That is why it is showing in DBF. Then is with outstanding, means do you want to transfer the ledger with outstanding or not. So as per requirement you can do yes or no here. Next is only balance. If you want to just transfer the balance, then according to you do yes for master or no for bill by bill. After this enter financial year start date and financial year end date. Like if you are transferring the data from 1st April till 30th June, means of the previous year, from 2017 to 2018, then here you will set the VAT. And if you are transferring the data from 1st July 2017 to 31st March 2018, then we will select GST. So now we will set GST here. After this, enter here sales calculation type, sales return calculation type and purchase calculation type. Then here state code will be given. Then we will specify that is your client is retailer or wholesaler. Then specify the trade of the software. After this, take care of this thing that these fields or these variables are standard, but variables which are here are not standard. It depends on the software of the customer. Perhaps these options will be shown in the PRG of some clients and in some of them it will not. Means these variables may change according to the program. So here we will do yes to update tags from sale purchase fields. Then type sure and do accept. So you will see data import has been started, and along with importing, software will automatically resave the bills and it will run the file maintenance and error checking. And if there are differences in the bill, then in this way a text file will be created of the difference. So in this way you can convert or migrate the MDB, means access data of client in Mark. And similarly, if you want to transfer the SQL data into DBF, then you can see the link given below in the description box, in which you will get to know that how you can convert SQL data to DBF. After this, we will see if there is a data of client already in DBF, then how you will import that data. So for that, you will again go to data transfer, then select download latest transfer commands. Then enter the name of the software here of which you want to import the data in Mark. For example, we will enter here MEDI, press enter on it, then press Ctrl plus W, then come to start importing data. Then you will specify the data path of MEDI here, means on whichever location is the data of MEDI, mention the path of that location. Then specify MEDI data extension DBF. Then is for history, means if you want to transfer the data history of the previous year, like if you want to transfer the history of 15-16, 16-17, 17-18, then mention the path of the data of financial year here in these fields. Then there are also the same options like you want to transfer with outstanding or not. After this, if you want to import masters, then set Y, and for full set no. Then here mention financial year begin date and last date. Then GST, state code, business type will be there. Then select if it is retail or wholesale and then type sure. So you will see data has been started importing, and along with importing, software will resave the bills as well, and it will also run the file maintenance and error checking. And if there are differences in the bill, then software will create the text file named as difference, which we have seen before. So friends, in this way we have learned that how we can run PRG inside the Mark software. Thanks for watching.